is everything to Turkish people.
There's so much chemistry and science involved in food that you never think about it. That's why I fell in love with food science.
My name is Senay Simsek. I am department head and professor at Purdue University. And this is a day in the life of a food scientist. Life is about stories, and food is a very important part of our story. I really enjoy my job as a food scientist. You can feel that your science is contributing people's life directly. Being a food professor in a land-grant university, we need to ensure that we are training students, we are conducting cutting-edge research, and also we provide service to scientific community as well as the people in the state and around the world. I was born in Turkey and I grew up in Turkey.
And I was about to finish my PhD in biochemistry in Turkey when I came to Purdue.
I came to Purdue Food Science as a visiting student and I fell in love with the science of food because food science is a multidisciplinary field and I felt like my chemistry knowledge could be seen in color. I really enjoy helping people. Since I was a young child, I always wanted to be a professor in a university setting, to be in front of students and help young students to build their careers and make life-changing decisions.
I think IFT is a contemporary vision for a scientific institution, scientific society. All the social media platforms you have and education opportunities that IFT provides are incredible. I also want to mention that IFT has great scholarship opportunities and professional development opportunities for current students. You do not only invest on today's food scientists, but you also invest on future food scientists. I'm very passionate about university, I'm very passionate about research, teaching.
The balance is, of course, I'm married and my husband is part of my job too. He is in engineering, he is an environmental engineer. We met when we were in grad school in Turkey. There was one class that every grad student had to take. Otherwise, we will never see each other, I guess.
He approached me taking my notes for the class, and this is how we met and we get to know each other more and we got married in 2002. So we both quit our PhDs in Turkey and started fresh degrees here. And I told him that I wanted to stay at Purdue and get my PhD. He wanted to go back and I said, well, I'm staying. We are welcome to go. Then he's okay, I'm going to stay with you. And I guess he made the right choice by staying with me. Now we have 4 children.
My first child was born before I had my PhD, and I was having my second child towards the end of my PhD. Again, it's the teamwork. I guess like everything else, teamwork is very important for everyone else's success. For this case, I would like to acknowledge my husband that he was extremely helpful during the process of raising the children, taking care of them. So it's a teamwork with my husband and myself.
I recommend all of our students to be part of IFT, and it's a very important institution. I don't know how many times I introduced one of my students to an industry member or another professor from other university, and they were hired by these people later. That makes me so happy. Whenever I hear from my students their success stories and how much they can accomplish, it gives me so much satisfaction with life and what I do every day. If you want to develop your network, if you want to have professional development opportunities and grow your network, IFT is the best platform to be part of.
We have many different types of local foods in different parts of Turkey. If you visit anyone else's home, the first thing they will offer you is, "Are you hungry? What can I serve you?" and they will insist, please eat, please try this food. As long as it's safe to eat, I suggest them to try different types of food products and eat everything that they can. It's a very important way of showing that we appreciate people. When I meet with students, I want to always hear about their stories. Why they want to be a food scientist, why they want to be a researcher, and what do they want to do with their lives. And I want to make sure that they will select a field, they will select a research project that they will be passionate about. Because if you like what you do, like myself, it doesn't even feel like work. And I can't believe somebody is paying me to do my job. That's a great, great discipline.